Well, I'm grateful to you all that you give me this opportunity to present myself in front of you. My name is Kodia Anshu and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in TYC. And as I am complete my internship program in cotton industry, it is one of the part of textile industry also. The industrial name is Uday Cotton, which is one of the famous industry in Kadi. The contents which I have taken to present myself is the history of the company and also cotton and other things which I have taken from my internship. The first part is cotton industry. As I have mentioned that I have done my internship in cotton industry. So the industry name is Uday Cotton and it is established in 19th May in 2001 and the owner of cotton industry namely Patel Paresh Bhai and one of the best industrial person in Kadi. He have more than experience in this field more than 25 years. Here are some features of cotton industry. It covers more than 35 biga of their industrial space and it is located on Irana Road. First you can see there is a warehouse which covers half portion of the whole industrial space and the second they provide official area that also provide different kinds of theoretical part which they put their documents and put receipts and bills. The last one is the most important part for all cotton industry, the ground. The ground is useful to put all wet cotton to get light by the sunlight and then it is useful to contain separate from seeds. Now cotton, as cotton played very important role in India and it is the most important fabrication I can say from our ancient time and it gives different kinds of things, material things, raw materials like the seeds of cotton give oil and the waste from that cotton seed are useful to feed domestic animal. Apart from this, the cotton is also used to make different kinds of clothes and threads. Okay, the product which we have taken at that time, during my internship I have saw two different kinds of product which taken from cottons. First is cotton cake and second is cotton bale. First of all, cotton cake is applied when this is separated from the cotton and then it is considering transported to oiling machine because of which the oil is extracted from the seeds and the waste portion is put it out from which the cotton cakes are made and these are useful to feed animals. Second is bales. Bales are very much important for cotton industrial that the cotton part of the seed which are taken from it then they go to fluctuated machine which press them in proper bunch and put in a square shape which is easily transported to truck and help to export in other countries. Now the third most important thing which I have already explained, the promoter background, and now my industry have three different branches all over the India. One is in Gondar, second is in Ahmedabad and main is in Kadi and they have three partners also. Plant capacity and production project. Main two parts are in cotton industry are ginning and oil mills. Ginning is useful to put our cotton bales and also it is important for main income for cotton industry. In my cotton industry they have 50 cotton spills which provide 6 tons of cotton per hour and per day they provide more than 144 ton of a day which means they can produce 9 trucks to export their cotton. Second is oil mill. Oil mill is also important because of which oil is accepted and raw oil is transported to oil industry. Well, marketing. Marketing I can say is one of the most important thing in every business. And Uday Cotton have different customers from overseas I can say from India like Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Pakistan also. And in India they have many more customers. Well, role of process and ginning, which I have already explained that how the ginning and the oil process help us to get raw materials from cottons. Now, organizational chart. As every business have different management levels, here you can see that owner and supervisor is the main because owner gives works to supervisor and worker. Customers. Customers are the most important thing in cotton industry because they do not directly connect to their receiver and sender. They have different kinds of brokers and brokerage. SWOT analysis, it was also much more important, where strength and weaknesses are most important part of every business, and the opportunity they give is to see my career in this field and also learn many things like punctuality and soft skill communication. Thank you.